Show you my studio a little bit. Everything's connected with Ableton Live. All my synthesizers go into those two interfaces from UHD, the Electron model samples. Another drum machine is my analog rhythm. This is more like a synthesizer, so you don't need samples. My Innovation peaked. I use this also for my live set, so I'm constantly traveling with that. My Prophet 6 has a very smooth, warm sound. Two effects. That's like a delay and a reverb from Strymon, where I can plug all my synthesizers into it, and that's possible because of my patch bay. All my synthesizers and all the effects are connected on the patch bay, and I have here my signal from the whole studio. Here I have an SH02, really nice bass acid synthesizer. Here on the left, famous Sub 37, which I use for basses. The Juno 6, which I use for pads, 80s sound. Also recorded a masterclass. Go and check this out. So yeah, that's basically my setup. And now let's